Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. It's bargain time. You guys want a steal of a Corvette? I'm giving you an opportunity. This is a 1970 Corvette, numbers matching 350 with 350 horsepower, numbers matching 4-speed, a correct 370 posi rear end. This was body off the frame, restored a few years ago. I bought it from a woman. Her husband passed away. He's the one who built the car, and he bought it or acquired it from his father. It's been in their family for a long, long time. It's a very emotional day for the woman when I purchased it. It needs a few things, which I'll point out. Overall, a very good car. We need a few things to make it excellent. I have another one on my website right now, same car, that is excellent. It is twice as much money as this car. So someone who's willing to do a little bit of work can make this a better car. Here's the deal. So go to volocars.com. That's where you find out the prices on all of the collector cars I offer for sale. And you'll see pictures top to bottom and read the description there at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, tops down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, supposedly his body off frame restored. It does have an upgraded suspension. I think it's from VRP, Vet Racing Products or something like that. But anyway, upgraded suspension. Up front, it has all special control arms, and it has a transverse leaf spring setup. I've never seen it before. I just Googled it. It's supposedly good for handling. Same thing in the back. It's their Stage 1 kit, they called it. All new control arms and spring, and so front and rear suspension is upgraded. I could tell the fuel tank from underneath, looked up at the fuel tank. That looks like new. These are 4-wheel disc brakes. They're in good working shape. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The 4-speed's clean, and like I said earlier, the VIN number is right on the side of the Muncie 4-speed. It's an M20. The rear end, the codes are clearly there, and we have pictures on our website. It is a 370, and the letter code is for a 1970 Corvette, and it's a 370 posi. Nice sounding exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It has Flowmaster mufflers, and the tips come out through the valance like they're supposed to. Also upgraded with Bilstein gas shocks all the way around. So underneath the car is really good. The fiberglass floors are real nice. The frame's real nice. No issues under there. It's much better than average under the car. So the body, very presentable. There are some issues that I'm going to point out. This is the L88 style hood. That looks really cool on there, the big raised fiberglass hood. There are some stress cracks right here. A few little ones and a bigger one down the middle there. The front end actually looks good. The headlights fit nicely. This is all real good. The wiper door, when you start the car, it automatically opens. So someone's got to tinker with that. This fender looks to be in good shape. Door looks good. This gap is a little big in my opinion. Here's a hairline stress crack. Here's a little chip in the paint. Here's a hairline crack coming off this corner here. The lid looks fine. This whole area looks fine. Gas cap sits up. That's a little loose and it sits up a little bit. I don't know why it's not closing all the way. This rear quarter panel looks good. Some little hairline stress cracks right on the edge. The back bumpers, tail lights, that all looks real nice. Probably been replaced. The correct antenna is looking good. This all looks good. This is all looking good. This looks really good. A few chips down here on the edge. Yeah, this is all looking real nice. I don't know why the corner of that hood's open right now. I'll tinker with that as soon as we stop to look inside, but the hood does close. And I'm just seeing minor imperfections. Here's stress crack right on this edge here. And it's been painted for a long time. I don't remember how many years, but it's been on here a long time. Front bumper, nice and shiny. The grills, spoiler down there, all that looks really good. I'm just noticing some little freckles in the paint right there. Emblem is new. BF Goodrich tires look like they're in excellent shape. 15x8 Corvette wheels. All the trim looks like it's been replaced. The rocker moldings look very good. It's just a little dirt. Here's a scratch in the paint right here. So some minor imperfections. And the wiper door needs to be looked at. There's a chip in the paint right here. All right, why don't we stop it and we'll look inside and pop the hood. So these Corvettes have the world's smallest trunk compartment. Actually, just kidding. It does have a locking gas cap in there. And I was talking about that not closing all the way. I'm sure that's a bit of tinkering. This whole thing's loose. Now, the inside of the car needs a little help. The door panel over there looks to be in real nice shape, and the weather strips are replaced. It's missing the knob for the lock. Right here should be a knob on there. You can order one of those easy enough. The dash area looks good. The pillars, the dash pad's real nice. This whole instrument panel, original AM/FM radio, the tachometer, all that looks real good. The center console, the right shifter with the reverse lockout, all of that looks real good. Chrome is kind of worn off on the e-brake handle. Now the seats, you can see the seat's kind of worn and the cushion is kind of blown out on both seats. So these need to be recushioned and reupholstered. Convertible top is black. It's in real nice shape. The paint is chipped on both sides. It's where the chrome latch on the back of the seat rubs on the lid there. The carpet in back here is all actually pretty good. You got the compartments here. This one's loose. It's off the hinge there. Actually, it's just missing a screw. Plastic trim is good. Now, it needs carpets at least up front, so I don't know if you'll end up redoing all of it, but it's really discolored and faded carpet. I'm thinking the heater core might have leaked onto the carpet and stained it at one time. So inside this car, throw some carpets and redo the seats. I don't know what you'll spend, $1,500, and you have a really nice interior. Now, I did get the hood to latch. I just had to play with the cable once more. I'll close it when we're done here. You'll see it fits fine. Now, this is the VIN number match 350 with the optional 350 horsepower. I checked the date codes on the back, the stamp on the front. It all appears to be correct. Now it's more than 350 horsepower. It's got an Edelbrock high rise. It has a Edelbrock carburetor on there and a set of headers. Looks like it has some upgraded MSD ignition coil. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers. I think that was part of the 350 horsepower. But the clutch fan looks new, the shroud looks new, the alternator looks brand new. It's got power steering, power brakes. Everything looks pretty proper in here. Very respectable engine compartment. Now, really, I'm not selling a lemon here. I'm not discounting it because I know the frame is bad or anything like that. It really is that our shop is so busy right now. I bought the car at a real good deal. We're just going to pass it along the way it is. I'd be much better off to spend a little time and money on it, and I could ask quite a bit more for the car. This car has not even been in our shop. We have not even given it an estimate to the repairs. I just told the shop I'm just going to sell this one at the right price. And really, it's ready to go. See how the hood shuts fine? Go enjoy the whole summer with it just the way it is. Next winter, some seats, some carpet, maybe do something about the hood. That's probably the worst of it right here. I would not paint this whole car. It's not a perfect paint job, but it looks great. You'll have a fantastic Corvette, numbers matching car. So there you have it. That's my opinion on this car. Go to volocars.com with your questions or concerns. You can talk to the salesman. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you get very affordable financing on it. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.